Hello, this is Caroline. I can't rap, but I want to change the colors. Turn on Smart Strip. Alexa, set Smart Strip to blue. Alexa, set Smart Strip to green. Alexa, set Smart Strip to 100% brightness. Alexa, turn off Smart Strip. And let's now do this with Google Home. Google, turn on Smart Strip.
All right, turning Smart Strip on.
Google, set Smart Strip to red.
Okay, changing Smart Strip to red.
Google, set Smart Strip to 5% brightness.
All right, setting Smart Strip brightness to 5%.
Google, turn off Smart Strip.
Sure, turning off Smart Strip.
Hi, my name is Caroline. Thanks for joining me for this video. In this video, we are setting up the Avatar Controls Smart Multicolored LED Strip Light. You can add this for a lot of ambiance in your home. And here are a couple of examples on the box. In this video, we're going to go through a full unboxing and a quick setup. I will show you how to get to controlling it with your Google Home or your Amazon Echo device. Thanks for joining. Now let's get started. This is the Avatar Multicolored LED Strip Light. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Avatar Controls app, RGB, music. It's 16.4 feet DIY. That means you can cut the length to make it a little bit shorter, and there is a remote included. Voice control, remote access, scheduling, music sync, light up your home. This is US, I'm in the US, and here are the setup instructions. And there it is. So if you want to cut it down to be shorter, there is the cut line. So they're every few feet, and this is the plug. And let's look at the other side. Okay, this is the, all right, so music, color, on, off. I assume that you plug this into here. That power adapter, you plug this into this end, and this is the remote control, and then you'll need to remove this little piece of plastic to activate the battery. And let's get this plugged in. Now there is a wall plug, we'll plug that in right here, and that goes into this controller, and I think that plugs in right here. And then this end plugs into our light strip, as I showed you during the unboxing. Look at that. Oh, it's all red. Excellent. Here is the remote. And just out of the box, I plugged it in. It's red. Let's see if I can change this to white. Yes. Blue and green and back to red. And I can do various colors. I can make this bright. So there are some kind of fun lights here. Flash. Woo! Look at that. Flash, fade. I think this is music. If you're playing music, and now it's kind of going to the sound of my voice, and it's just changing lights. So let's get back to jump 3. Try that out, and it just kind of changes colors every once in a while. This is the remote that goes with this light strip. There's also this controller, off, color, or music. And then it goes to the sound of the music. And right now I'm just talking and it's going to change to the sound of my voice. There is a little speaker right here. I think that's how it works. I'm going to just change it back to color. Now let's try to get this working with our Amazon Echo. And on the side of this box there is a QR code that you can scan, and it takes you to the download page. This is just a hot link over to the App Store. I'm using an iPhone. If you had a Google Play, it would take you over there, and then you would download this app. I've already set up this app in a previous video. I will link over to it. It's pretty self-explanatory, honestly. It just walks you through the process of setting up an account with your email address and setting up a password. So I've already done that. I've already got a couple of devices on my account. Hold the controller button for 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 1005. Okay, it is blinking now. Hit plus. Now, here it is. Devices to be added. I'm going to go to add Smart Strip STL1. It needs my SSID and my SSID password. Hit next, and it is now adding the device. The default name is Smart Strip STL1. I'm going to change the name to Smart Strip. Done. Excellent. And look at that. Now I can change the color of the light with my app. Look at that. So I can do red. I could do yellow. See how yellow looks. All right, so it is a little bit hard to see. You get the idea. There's a dimmer. There's a scene. You can set up different scenes. Music. You start playing some music. Start. Access the microphone. Hello, this is Caroline. I can't rap, but I want to change the colors. So you're having a dance party in your home. This is what you need, apparently. Schedule. Okay, if you want to schedule this, add. So if you want to add a schedule, tag, you can call it, name it something, on, off, at a certain time. And you can do Monday. You can do which day of the week you want. So if there's certain days you want it to go on a certain time, that is great. There is timer, and you could say you want it to be on for a few minutes, and then you want it to turn off. So now let's go into, that's the Smart Strip. I can turn it off, turn it back on again. Amazon Echo. Now we're going to go into the Amazon Alexa app, and I'm going to search for Avatar. Avatar controls. Hit that, and I'm going to enable to use it. I'm going to link my account. I just created an account in a previous video with the Avatar app, and I will need to type in the same thing here. And I'm authorizing Alexa by Amazon to receive my public profile, control my devices over the internet. Authorize, and my Avatar Controls account has been successfully linked. Excellent. Hit close. Discover devices. Yes, I'd like to discover devices. It's going to look for my devices. Hopefully it will find a Smart Strip. And it found one light found. I'm going to set it up. If I want to add it to a group, I can add it to the group all lights. It is all lights. I'm going to add it to that group, and I'm going to hit continue. And now Smart Strip is set up and ready to use. I'm going to hit done. Alexa, turn off Smart Strip. And there it goes. It turns off. Turn on Smart Strip. Alexa, set Smart Strip to red. There it goes. Let's set Smart Strip to off. All right, and that was as simple as that. Now let's do Echo Home. Now I'm going to go to my Google Home app, and I am going to hit the plus button in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to hit Set Up a Device, and I'm going to say, yes, I have something already set up. And I'm going to do the search. I'm going to search for Avatar, and there it is, Avatar Controls. And I need to link my account, my Avatar account, with my Google Home. I'm going to agree and link. And all of my devices come up. Excellent. I'm going to choose, it says to choose a device. I'm going to choose the Smart Strip. Hit next. I live in a condo. Next. And what room is this device in? I'm going to say it is in the backyard. Next. And I can go through and set up other devices at this point. I'm not going to do that. So that's it. So let's try this out with Google Home. Turn on Smart Strip.
Got it. Turning on Smart Strip.
Hey Google, set Smart Strip to blue.
Got it. Changing Smart Strip to blue.
Hey Google, set Smart Strip to 10% brightness.
Got it. Setting Smart Strip brightness to 10%.
Hey Google, set Smart Strip to 100% brightness.
Okay. Setting Smart Strip brightness to 100%.
Turn off Smart Strip.
All right, turning Smart Strip off.
And that is our Smart Strip, our light strip set up with Google Home. And that is it. It's so simple to set these things up. Once you have your account created and you have everything in pairing mode, it works great, and it's easy to set up with Amazon Echo or Google Home. My name is Caroline. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.